Welcome back to my new vlog, guys. So today my topic is CPT cone penetration test. So the purpose of CPT is to determine the geotechnical properties of soil. This is CPT machine to dive the cone and rod. This is the rod holding bench where we fix the rod for the drilling purpose, and this is a pressure plate which is connected with the pressure jack, and this is device monitoring machine. So in this machine we are entering the data like as point ID, coordinates and its level. This is hydraulic jack machine to give the pressure to CPT rod and to level the CPT machine, as you can see the whole bus. And this pressure plate, you have to level it. I will show you all the procedure step by step. This is the cone basically which we are driving, and this is the rod. So each rod length is 1 meter. The cone dia of the rod is 5 centimeter, 50 mm. So this is connected with the hydraulic pipe which is connected with the hydraulic jack machine, and this is the hook which we are using to fix or while removing the rod. Each rod length is 1 meter. So this is all the setup which you can see now. It is inside the CPT truck. We are calling it CPT machine. This is the CPT truck, and there are 4 jacks to lift up the jack cable. So once we start the driving, so from here you can see the CPT cone and rod. So now I'll start you the procedure step by step. So first of all, survey setting out is required for CPT location and point, the coordinates and the level of that point. Then orient or set out the CPT machine, this cable which you have seen before, on the required CPT location. So it should be as much close as it can be, like 20, 10 centi, 20 centi, as much it close, as much it must give the accurate result of the specific point. Then once machine is ready, level the rod holding bench. Check it with the spirit level, bubble level, as you can see here. So they are doing it with the help of the jack machine. They are uplifting the cable from all the sides. So these all 3 bubbles should be accurate. As you can see here, the lifting of cable is being operated by this jack machine. So there are 4 jack levers, and for all 4 corners, and with the help of that we are leveling it. As you can see, these bubbles levels are moving now. So once it will be ready, it means that the machine is ready now. This Cpt Device Monitor, so it always shows these readings like QC, the cone resistance, and FS, the friction of soil. Then U2, this is pressure of water, and is tilt angle. So these are, and also the depth, how much, as well as when we are driving the cone, so it is showing the result. Now when the leveling is finished, so then the next procedure is install the cone and rod in the holding bench under the pressure plate. So this is the accurate point which is being given by a survey. So one by one we are installing it until it will touch the ground. So clean it. There are threads on one side and one side, inside thread, so male and female. So that's how we connect these rods with each other, as you can see here. So once it's connected, we'll dive it down, so until it will touch the ground. So now adjust the rod in the pressure jack, as you can see here. So with the help of this adjuster, we'll adjust it so that this pressure plate will not cut our hydraulic pipe. As you can see now, the machine is ready for the driving of CPT cone and rod. So now the next procedure is we'll insert the CPT details in Cpt Device Monitor. So this machine which you can see now, this is the Cpt Device Monitor. So we'll insert it like as this point level, ground level, the coordinates of this point and ID of this point. So these are the basic points which will insert it. So once we will insert it, after that it will be ready for the test. Prior to start the test, the CPT cone should touch the ground and all the readings should be 0. Now we have started the hydraulic pressure on the CPT rod to drive the CPT cone, as you can see here. Now we are drilling the CPT rod, and the readings will appear on the device monitor, as you can see here. The cone resistance, QC, tilt angle, friction, water pressure U2, and the depth. As you can see now, it is 50 cm depth, 51 cm depth, and the QC is 10. Add the rod one by one and continue drilling until it will reach the refusal strata. Refusal strata mean beneath there is some rock or hard stone or boulders. So if you will not stop it, then the cone will be broken, and the cone is very costly. When the cone touch the refusal strata, the QC readings will start increasing and drilling depth will be stopped. When the QC reading will reach at 50, then stop the pressure immediately, or else it will break the cone. Alert sign will appear on the machine. While drilling, the tilt angle is usually 0.5, 0.6, 0. Maximum 8, but if it is reached at 8 degree, then immediately stop the test and restart it on the new location nearby within 1 meter. The drilling speed of jack is 1.5 to 2.5 centimeter per second. As you can see, as the drilling is increasing, so graph is also increasing and is showing the value. Now the friction is getting more harder and harder, and also the depth, it is around 6 meter. So in this area, our refusal strata, we are finding it around 7.5 meter. Now you can see the QC value is getting increasing. Now it is reaches 42, 43, and the drilling depth, it is stopped at 6.26. It is not getting more. It means the cone is at the same level, and QC value is reaches now 44, 45. As it will reach at 50, we will stop it immediately. I will show you now. Now it is 47, 48, 49. See, the alert is came. So we lift up the depth meter to stop the pressure on the rod. I hope you like this video. If you have any comment, please comment it in the comment section, and subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.